This is Coach White here. Today we're going to be going over the frog wheel. It is the beginning steps to ultimately learn how to do a cartwheel, which is much more advanced. We're basically going to place our right foot, our right hand, our left hand, and then we're going to just kind of hop. And there it's called the frog wheel because we just kind of hop like a frog. So we have two blue pieces of paper and two yellowish pieces of paper. So the blue is for the right foot and the right hand. So it'd be right foot, right hand, then you go left hand and you hop. Okay? So once again, you go right foot, right hand, left hand, and then hop. So we basically go right foot, right hand, left hand, and then hop around. Okay? A little bit more in full action is right, 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 left, and hop. And there is the frog wheel.